Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today is going to be a very fun video because I have all of the shades here of the Lottie London Color Cloud Longwear Matte Liquid Eyeshadows, and they look so beautiful. I love the range of colors here. And so these are cruelty-free and vegan, and they're just supposed to be super easy to use eyeshadows that are crease-free, water-resistant. They only cost about $6 each. And I love Lottie London products, and I'm so excited to get to try out some more that I got in PR. So a disclaimer that these products were sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I just always try and let you know when products are still sent to me for free. But of course, first things first, we're going to do some swatches. First up, this one is called Pink Slip. Ooh, and I like the applicator. It's like a rounded paddle applicator. No smell to it. Ooh, that is nice. It's like paint, full opaque pigment. So I'm thinking it's going to dry down to a matte because initially it's going on pretty liquid. Next up, this is called Love and Cocoa. I'm really loving how fully opaque pigmented these are. This one is called Peach Out. There you can see the peach out. Next is Lilac Days. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. Wow. So vibrant. I can't tell if it's like a blue, a gray, a purple. It's like all mixed together. Wow. Ooh, and I love this one too. This is called Sky Blue. Oh my gosh, I just love how bright and vibrant these light shades are because they're that opaque pigment. Wow, I feel like each swatch is more impressive than the last, but this is the last one here and it's called Minty Fresh. Really great names for all of these shades as well. Oh, love that. So here are those swatches. The pink, let's see, it's supposed to be smudge proof, but it's still a little wet. Yeah, so I feel like you have to give it time to dry down. And as they're drying down, like you can see that with the purple one, like it's not quite as bright anymore, but still full opaque color. But let's go ahead and try some out on my eyes. I kind of have no direction in mind of what I want to create, so I'm just going to reach for a color and let's see how it goes. This is the Minty Fresh shade here, and I'm just going to go ahead and, I'm going to apply it kind of all over the outer section of my eyelid, and let's see how it looks, if it really is crease proof. And like if I open my eye, is it gonna crease? I'm also curious if I can blend it. It doesn't say that you need to blend it though. But let's see if I were to like diffuse the color. Oh my gosh, okay. That actually works really well. I'm gonna just continue on blending since I've already started. It actually blends out very nicely. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, the instructions didn't say that you needed to blend it, but this is actually extremely blendable. I was able to diffuse it, like smoke it out into the crease there, and then it's still very pigmented, opaque on the rest of the lid. Okay, that is actually very fun and so easy. It blended out completely smooth, so quickly, and just with my finger. And it's still looking very smooth, no creasing. Okay, wow, I'm actually blown away by how that blended out. But for the fun of it, let's go in with like a different color. I'm going in here with the sky blue, and let's see if I can paint on top of it and how that looks. These can be layered. I'm just going to focus this in the center of the lid. I mean, it's going on looking pretty opaque. Ooh. Okay, that is very fun. While I let that blue dry down, for the fun of it, let's try out some other colors on the other eye. Just doing a whole rainbow look. Here I have pink slip. I just feel like you can get so creative with these because you can just draw them on very easily, like paint them on actually, exactly where you would want, so like an easy cut crease or something like that. Or it can blend out easily, they can layer up. Oh, I will say though, I definitely have creases in the blue now. So where I've like opened my eye, maybe you have to like keep the eye closed for it to dry down. But I want to incorporate a little purple onto the other half of my eye. So maybe I will resist blending out this eye so that we can see. Yeah, the creasing is happening. So for the fun of it, I'll try out the purple shade now, and I'll keep this eye closed for it to dry down, because that's a bit of a bummer that it does crease pretty badly before letting it dry down. And it's not the fastest to dry down, so having to wait with my eye closed is a little difficult. But so, with all the swatches here, yes, once it dries down, no transfer, no smudging, so that is awesome. Now that the purple has dried down, yeah, I'm not really seeing any creasing anymore. So that's my only little complaint, is the creasing that happens before it dries down, because yeah, even trying to blend that out, the crease is stuck there. So you gotta let it dry before letting the creases happen in the eyelid. But aside from that, these are very impressive formulas, and the fact that they're only $6 I think is incredible. They're so easy to blend, so pigmented, so fun, so many different uses for these. And the colors all really go nicely together with this kind of pastel color story. So if you have tried these out, let me know what you think of them. Let me know what are your favorite uses that you have found for them. But I am so excited to continue playing around with these. I am so impressed. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.